All right, so there is a setting inside of the YouTube studio that could really hurt your views. And it actually did. Once again, we tested it one more time. And well, yeah, it flopped. So I want to share with you what that setting is here today. I want to tell you I would not turn this setting off. It's actually, you want to leave it on. It's automatically checked, but you want to make sure that that thing is checked. And let me just share a little bit of the backstory here. And that is that when you are pivoting a channel, which this channel we have pivoted, we were going after the audience of small channels that want to grow, and that might be you, and that's fine. We're not going anywhere. This is for you, but also we're tailoring our messaging and who we are attracting with business owners. Like if you're a coach, a course creator, consultant, that's the direct audience that we are wanting to serve. But that doesn't mean that a video like this, if you're a small creator, you can't benefit. But once we did that, we said to ourselves, should we turn off the setting to where it's not going to be displayed to our subscribers? Currently, right now, we're at about 35,600 ish subscribers. And some of those, I would say a majority of those, came in as a small YouTube channel that wants to grow. Some of them are coaches, some of them are business owners, but some of them are just like, I want to try this YouTube thing. I want to grow this YouTube and get it up to 500 bucks a month or 1,000 bucks a month. And that's fine. But we are focusing on the other audience now. So we had a decision to make and we wanted to test this. We can turn that setting off inside of our YouTube studio where we basically say, do not show it to our subscribers or send out notifications. So if you are in the YouTube studio and you're in your video and you're uploading it, you're going to see right here that little checkbox and it says publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. Now, if you are posting videos that are completely random, you would think, I don't want to post it out to all my subscribers because they're probably not going to be interested. And here's the other thing. This is what our theory was. If we put out a video that's not specifically talking to those subscribers, it might be a little bit off. So in our example, if we said how to get more views by turning on this one setting, kind of the opposite of this one, if we were to say that, it would have a better chance of succeeding with our subscribers. But if we put something in there like how to get more coaching leads from YouTube, people that are subscribers, a lot of those people would be like, I don't want to watch that. And then you would think then our click-through rate would be super low. And then YouTube, they would penalize us or they just wouldn't push our video. So we tested that. We said, okay, let's go with that theory. And we did. And guess what? Right out of the gate, we didn't get pushed at all. I think it was like maybe 10 views in like 3 hours. And I was like, I don't think that was a good idea. And so since then, we decided we're never going to do that again. So if you have subscribers, they're just going to ignore it. And it doesn't mean that it's going to necessarily hurt you, because my theory is this. Yes, YouTube looks at your click-through rate out of the gate, but it's going to look at it from the impressions. It's also going to look at it, who is the audience that they put you in front of. So if you go into your analytics, you'll be able to see the traffic sources. You'll see if it came from YouTube search. You'll be able to see if it came in from browse. You'll see if it came in from your subscribers. You'll see if it came in from direct, maybe something off of Google. And then you can see that your click-through rate will be different for all of those different traffic sources. So the reason why I'm sharing that with you is, yes, you might look at it and go, oh, I don't want my subscribers to hurt my click-through rate, and then it won't get pushed. YouTube's algorithm is smart enough to know that that was your subscribers. They didn't react well to it, but they still don't want to give up on the video either. They want your video to succeed as much as you do. At least I think they do. So I'm not going to worry about that anymore. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let the audience decide. And if they want to click on it, they can. But I'm really going to be using that video, the thumbnail, the title to attract the audience that I want to see it. And that's the shift. And that's what I would recommend anyone doing. All right. Now, with that being said, there are a lot of things that you want to optimize for. There's a lot. And we usually have a pre-checklist and a post-checklist. And if you want to see the exact settings that we're using when we are uploading, then go ahead and watch this video right here, and I'll show you exactly all of the settings that we use before we upload. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.